What happened? Batman blood clot, Miss Jane, Miss Liza, Miss Chin, Miss Mama Langtongue, Miss Blood clot, Lashing. Dirty blood clot, Batman, Badman, blood clot, Chin. You satisfy your laugh? What fuck do we know? We ain't do we go and go married. Since as it's a sweet, I and him go see a Batman, dirty blood clot. You know he's an undercover Batman. You say it's sweet, yeah? You say it's sweet, yeah? It must sweet you because you can move your undercover bad blood clot, Batman blood clot. I hope the man them where your teeth them gun find your dirty blood clot. Who you chin? Tell them some pass your ends on the same shocker them. And when you could have blood clot, the God freeze your dirty blood clot. You want so you look like an anchor dog. Batman chin, you're surprised? You're not surprised. You laugh.
Yourself enough for you and everybody because you are one. You can't force somebody to believe in you, but you can't make them believe in you.
Chin, are you me take the life fam? Chin, so sweet your Batman dirty blood.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Yo, we say I last see the people there. Last see the people in the life. You I say, oh, we can't buy Starbucks. Last week, for the every day, the man told us all the one star. I want you.
It felt like one big galley.
No. Me know it's sweet, me. It's one. It's circus 8.
I hear blood clot circus entering. Move your dirty blood clot. Me never saw a bad man sit down and war one woman for husband when I want blood clot them. Me never saw a bad man. You walk and grab blood clot bag and nobody bother. Grab blood clot. Me see them look nice, thank you. Go on, Starbucks bunny, you bad man, the dirty blood clot you. And that's your gut, me for. Can me have your friend a car all over the world. Move your Batman blood clot. It is a Batman. You saw you running at the Batman, there my ball to the Batman. I tell the Batman, but you know want to get mixed up in this? You have a bad blood clot, man, you know, batty blood clot mixed up. What you doing at Batman, damn chin? You come down, and you can't take him back. You and him go back, galanga name back in a cheese pan. I cheese pan, you grudge me for when me take him out of chin. Chin tell him some stay around for your blood clot ends by your friend a pass and me up on your side and your friend a drive. And me tell you say don't look for blood clot chin. So you come along, you get back your man, go and go take your blood clot man chin. Yeah. And if you hear me from the day me take do it. Your skin a crawl for blood clot me chin. So you get your reward now, darling. I wish you all the best and I hope you live happily blood clot ever after. You heard it about the Starbucks? He's a mama blood clot, man. The one of the two on our friend. The two on Miss Jane and Miss Blood clot. Come sniff out underneath that chin. Come lava juice up underneath me. Shaky, blood clot chin. Move your dirty blood clot. One pair your fuck out blood clot gallem where you have. What is your gallem storage chin? Give me something to make me laugh. Dirty, nasty, fly bad blood clot each flight. Your name flight chin. Move your blood clot. I fly them and come out of my battle and name them. You can't laugh after blood clot, me. Your friend you laugh after. You hear that? Hey. I hear circus blood clot clown. Bad man Trinity blood clot gun come on internet for done blood clot me. Me have pussy blood clot. Juice to squeeze in your blood clot face chin. I want to you. But add for any blood clot body I want to add for. And that's you rejoice over. You take your friend out of the slum for your friend disrespect me. And you help him sell the blood clot ring so you think it make you right or make you bit better than him? The dog have them there. Every blood clot dog have them there. But you know your friend have no blood clot sense. So you know this was coming because him no know loyalty. Chin, come wheel up your tongue in my bottle hole and have a good water shit. I use your tongue and clean out the shit them out of my bottle hole. Go look for your fuck out blood clot, gal. Me still carry a foreign chin. Your cocky still now blood clot work. My husband cocky blood clot work. It works chin and plug in. That's why I can't sit down and take my chin blood clot shit. But when you get them to your chin, talk to me no man. You sound like a big bitch. You want a wig and two hoop earring. I want battery rider blood clad for put on chin to come contest me. I want sweet your chin. What sweet Miss Jane, Miss Liza, Miss Mama Lang blood clad tongue chin. Miss blood clad dead and weird chin. Chin come sniff out on the blood clot me where your friend no get to fuck. Move your dirty blood clot chin. Come lap your blood clot fractal and drop your skirt for me chin cause the man don't want blood clot me. And you get a a fuck you want fuck do it. Move your dirty blood clot chin. Chin member, me give them to cut scarf, head scarf. Where you beg do it for chin, you still have to show one defense car. I must see to use that over a blood clot do it, and none of blood clot on the can't over me. I'm terrible and bad awful. Him on the can blood clot over. Chin you can't talk to me. Me make the check how much time I make your friend travel. Just have to pay like blood clot taxi. I see him last night, man. What's sweet your chin? Chin from when you're there at town and sell your mother load. And you get the Bahamas link and you send up the blood clot things for Bahamas. Chin, me not think you should have take a plane by now. What sweet your chin? What blood clot sweet when you stuck here we are Jamaica chin? Whoever tell you that the plane is gonna land now? Have you ever get that chance? What sweet you? What the mama bomba blood clot sweet your chin? Batman blood clot chin I call the Batman in the MDM. Sweet man the Batman real out him file say. Sweet blood clot. When you can't go S and blood clot spell. Move on a dirty blood clot. Life goes on, chin. I am the fucking queen. And the queen ray. How sweet you? You can't trouble me? Batman chin. Come eat my fucking water, doodoo. You can't trouble me, chin. All you can blood clot do I irritate my spirit and me dip up under your nasty blood clot. I want fear. You know why? Me there Jamaica how much in blood clot time and you know do nothing chin. It's a waste bag. It's a waste blood clot man. I remember the night when you move out do it. Batty wall. What me say to you? Why you come and you come move out my husband for batty man chin? The wall of blood clot you know. One beat of blood clot me for the ring. That's why you boots him and encourage him. I hear him sell the ring. I hear him sell the car tire. I hear him sell the TV. So, what that mean? You must still have a blood clotting with me for come to you, chin, and in a work blood clot with chin. You can't get blood clot, you can't stand your work, so now you can't blood clot stand me. Because you're very manipulating. And when you used to manipulate him, I go teach the people them blood clot gun, and teach the people them also have it in there run for blood clot, fuck shop chin. You're still there, ass clot, Portmore now, God nowhere. I doubt if you're going to be here. But hey. You want something to laugh about? Eh? This all this from something. Hello? Chin. Let me take out the something. Chin, let me hear your reason. 11 years ago, I used to tell them, say, I do it, I'm going to teach the Batman blood clotting, then they come a ball about do it, teach Batman tablet, and phone and something. Are you and do it, rob the blood clot man, them, or maybe you call the Batman in my day, but I don't want to get involved in this, no. I don't want to get involved in this. Oh, you reach your laugh, Chin? Your cocky still not working. I tell you a couple months ago, say your cocky not work, and it's still not blood clot work, because Jamaica, you see we laugh. Me pass you upon the ends chin. I know me not see when me don't do my one blood clot chin. I mean I say peace now can't come here when they feel like kill me dirty blood clot chin. So now you take internet. put your money where your blood clot mouth there. Me a blood clot top girl. Me have a friend that tore the blood clot roll and that bun blood clot you burn over it burn you over the Starbucks cup. Where my talk about you never call your name chin. So you know sir you go for. I'm just hype and feel good in my Starbucks cup. Who give a fuck about you in a Starbucks cup? You're so fucking petty. Your nerves are earth blood clot you for that old girl. Because the whole of your blood clot girl them not make no blood clot sense. Do it really I'll fuck out some of your girl blood clot pussy them. Move your blood clot. Your cocky not doing what? Not working. My husband cocky at work. My husband blood clot cocky at work. As much as you see me say to blood clot, when that storm up and itch me for one blood clot sign. He said, boy, that cocky you forget blood clot everything for. Where your cocky get chin? You come blood clot. The teeth them white. Thank you. I don't know why I'm a cuss. Go on. Chin smell bad like under blood clot, me chin. It's who this? It's up to you again.
You know, say, are you admin?
If that as somebody send me one video. Send me one video with chin a lot. I just put in for my blood clot page. I say, ooh, last blood clot, best. Move your dirty blood clot. Step up, step up. Step up, chin. Step it up, chin. Chin, step up from the teeth span where you're in your mouth. From when your teeth arcade load. And I said people got Bahamas and you're still the one place. You never ever got rascal like Grand Cayman out there. Chin, any blood clot thing I want to sweet your chin. Who laugh, blood clot. But he's a batty man. Uncle batty man would have sweet them. See a man and him wife. We take your man and put him on pedestal. And to that street them say, you know mean your friend no blood clot, but you grudge your blood clot friendship. Come sniff out underneath my blood clot arm where I kick like panda. Good afternoon, Yvette.
Them say me favor one man pan this.
Dirty blood clot in a long time. Chin. From before my mother to the man, you fight me chin. Chin, do it cocky down, stand up for battle. Move your blood clot, chin. As much as you want my blood clot, husband, that's why I'm run from your captain. Discover says an undercover blood clot battle man. Chin, the man said, should I happen to him? And him never know the way you boost him to tell the blood clot. I'm telling him, my dog, make sure you not go back far enough. Make sure you not go back far enough. Chin, chin. Talk to me, chin. The night when you come move out, do it. You think you're going to live happily ever blood clot after, but cocky dead when it comes to blood clot, man, chin. That's some idea and down black, and that's why I said them beer gun. Me have the gun them enough. Chin. Me have the blood clot gun them enough. I'm going to check internet, you send them. I check that. You hear that dirty blood clot bongo thing? Go look for Amara and fuck up Amara mouth. Then I look for Amara and fuck her in her mouth and then shit in her blood clot mouth. Because you not get no if you are doing on no blood clot line. Maybe do it and then we have to make a thing. Because I can't predict it. But I will class out your dirty blood clot, same way chin. You want that woman your husband. Move your body, man, blood clot. It's a disgrace to bad man, but you're bad. Me didn't know you're not bad. Me know you're not bad. You just intimidate people. And when you rob people at night time, they're afraid of you. But me know you're not bad. You know your friend down blood clot, but your best friend smell bad na blood clot. Chin. Stinking blood clot, big pussy Shan. We have beard and look like blood clot, man. Shan come suck out underneath blood clot, man. Yeah, you dirty blood clot, girl. Me eat the whole blood clot like on and come suck me left, right, and blood clot center. You can't disturb my life. But disturb the whole of blood clot to my life. I disturb for blood clot. No, no, Liam. Liam, and the whole of the blood clot. Later, come in and know what that. We can't take that scratchy something in it. Us. It's a irritate my brothers. Miss Chin, sell me 3 pack of Alaska, quarter pound of saltfish, and a box of milk. Your body man's blood clot scatterman. Me never tell you from the day when I come in that car here, you chat blood clot me with doing. I'ma grab the phone. Hey, Chin, remember me done blood clot you from Jamaica. With the dirty jelly on my mouth, I say, move your body man's scatterman blood clot, Chin. Chin go look for the girl and fuck by you why you get 10,000. You can't even get 10 blood clot thousand. So try to fuck somebody else. Forget the 10,000. The girl at Portsmouth. Talk to blood clot me, Chin. The woman where you fuck on a ass clot. What about place there, Queenie? Calm down. Calm down, Queenie. Dirty woman from Manchester will make ads. Come suck up me and do it after blood clot come woman. And why you want to bite my pussy jar? And use your tongue and move your dirty blood clot and come out a man and woman. I'm here and drunk or come talk about when I come on the internet and talk out the wall of my story and people are me no want none of blood clot to defend me. Me no want none of blood clot sorry for me. We don't know blood clot sorry for self. Sorry for the blood clot self. My true royal crazy them. We stand by me and support me. Them don't give a fuck. Me no want to no fake blood clot support. Now all us not tumble down pan blood clot me. No Congo worm now drop out of my blood clot pussy. No Congo worm. Move on a dirty blood clot. And the lean up, dent up blood clot body with the eat my fat. The veiny blood clot body, my body where me love. Move on a dirty blood clot. My leg of the queen wave. Move your dirty blood clot and come use the teeth and scour between my leg right so we're black. Come use the teeth and use to scour. Right just I don't want to my pussy no. Right just I want. You see right just I have a little black this right the time why you use the teeth and scour blood clot. Move your dirty blood clot. None of you can get for go up in my pussy. None of blood clot now when me sending up in that blood clot and that's me eat my fat. Because me's not a fucking tea. Me's not a fucking C. Me's not a fucking ass clot R. So I can class blood clot me all day. Me's not the girl where a friend can blood clot. Me have none to do with friend them number. Me not like do it every blood clot but they do it have them number. Me can blood clot here me. None of uno. None of do it corrosing them. None of do it cumble of them. Me not have none on no blood clot number. None of them can look me. None of them can set me up. None of blood clot no can done me. Me skin out and I need blood clot and tell them to come tight up in this blood clot. Yes, I saw under blood clot me look. Yeah, only thing I'm afraid of fish one under blood clot me. Only want itch up under blood clot me when I have a stacking. So I make sure I put on a blood clot stacking now. So I look. Come stifle up and broke up in my blood clot fat pussy. What the man say I'm not frightened over. It's all this. Do we left in blood clot self? I mean, I mean left and self. Yeah, man, him to come rad him up in my batty wall. I make me stag. You ever going to one batty wall yet? She never going to one batty wall yet? It look like the suck when me tell her come suck me turn your arm. But so I hear the blood clot circus so bash up. But come mash up your life for doing and that you eat my dirty blood clot for shade. Whoa, say my pussy clean and chin, you don't have a pussy. You don't have a pussy chin. So why you sit down and see so rascal gutted? White chin, Miss blood clot chin. You know, should I shoot up my dirty blood clot when I'm a blue jeep? Right on for your ends over ass clot. Where place name, Queenie? I way over the deal. Passage Fort. Yes, chin. Why you never run out and shoot up the car? Why you want to come? Why Queenie really can't raise dead though? I'm not lying. Me telling them, man, oh my, tattoo that look good here. We really can't raise dead to blood clot. Chin I raise my razor. Chin right now, but that shit in my mouth like how take up. Chin, you know say you for the lock up and fuck. You can't send for you. Right now, with that shit in your blood clot more chill. Like how you come shit in my blood clot, yeah. They ain't you go lock up and fuck, man. Tell you for send for you. And that you for the chin and stop and blood clot me. When you not go satisfy. Move on a dirty blood clot. None of blood clot you can't come over here to combat bill. On my page and my life. But this out to no dirty blood clot for my blood clot life. Chin, Miss Chin! Ching Chang. You need to come at Dominican Republic. Look why you're bleaching. You look like one skull dog. You ever swim that dead dog there at Jamaica and it's stiff? I saw you bleaching. Look, Chin, you're the first man me see with the bleaching in your beard. Remember, man? Right on a greater Pomo run a do yard when you walk going to the shop me here, Chin. I first me meet in a real life, Chin. And Chin, you drive me like you want to kill me. Chin, remember everything. When my daddy shop, I say, why you have the whole heap of bleaching in your ear like that? Look cranny, that look like coming out. Like when one woman pussy juice coming out and I say I saw bleaching go. And Chin, you drive on Greater Pomo, where I drive on the street and you drive on 200 to blood clot, I'm not in the car clock 200. And I said to my husband, I don't allow people to drive me like that. Chin, if you remember, you try to kill me off, you don't know. You don't know, Chin. The way you drive me to intimidate me. So why you think you could have sweet you for laugh now, Chin? May I ask you a question? Can you try to kill blood clot me say you can't kill me? And when I come in on your face and drive past your other passage for Chin, you're outside and wipe off one car, Chin. Chin tell him say he's an undercover Batman and a long time you look a fuck off for do it. But when do it come in my life and do it married to me now, that's when you heartbreak. The cheese pan blood clot mash up Chin. Chin, me start making me eat pan plain Chin. You know, because something when them look at them say, me not eat them at Chin. Chin, when your cocky go work, darling, when your cocky go blood clot work, Chin, you can't do like we do it. You can't do it blood clot, though, Chin. Every blood clot girl I look something from you and run left your dirty blood clot. It burn you make it up on blood clot though you can't get a break. So that teeth no more gun. Gun blood clot teeth Chin. I left you to the rest of gunman them at Jamaica because if I one thing me know a gunman them don't like gun teeth. Them prefer clean like me, Chin. You can't talk to me and do it no blood clot time, Chin. Your grudge do it for him success when you know the use of him success. You see one side of your bad man do it for the star chuck cup. Your bad minded blood clot Chin come suck me with 19 blood clot straw and take the next blood clot one and pushing out your blood clot nose like this from the fucking queen. Batty man, Miss Liza, Miss Jane, mama long blood clot tongue. Any blood clot, by the way, test me as a man is a mama blood clot, mama. Mama Martin! You want my fat blood clot pussy. Move your dirty blood clot, the shaky blood clot. Then see that? Pussy clean and blood clot. If I come take one of you and sniff the blood clot pussy, cause all when you sniff it, your fucking mouth can't go in there. Ah! Touching! These are next blood clot. Ah! Two! You can't diss me, Chin, or you can't make blood clot. Me a mock for blood clot, man. I want Chin got your teeth. You can't chat to me, Chin. Chin a tattoo that around here. Oh, I'm lie down and do that big blood clot tattoo your papa breast. But don't even know if I like it to pussy clot, but try my one. Chin, you can't chat to me. I lie down and take my blood clot pain. You can't visit me and do it, Chin. You can't laugh after me and blood clot, Chin. Chin, we just come from Grand Cayman and we left go back at Jamaica. We left Jamaica and come here, son. And that's an your dirty blood clot under the cup. Why would you sit down and see the man with him cup? I say my forward prayer. Me buy him cup. And him come. The reason why I'm talking about him cup because I want to take back his cup. I owe you, Chin, you sit down and catch blood clot feelings over my husband when I want me. But him don't want you either, Chin. Him don't want no friend from you. Him don't want no gun from you. Chin. Make one next blood clot paste post and test blood clot, my Chin. I test the blood clot test. I'm just wind up in your face, Chin. Oh, Chin. Move your dirty blood clot. If you suck pussy like dog. You're supposed to suck pussy and lick pussy like when a dog season now, Chin. And right now, the dog them there Jamaica, them have to lick the pussy before them fuck it. He's a dog chin. You need to start lick pussy, forget up on blood clot plain chin. Cause your cocky now blood clot work. My husband cocky plug in. I'ma make him reach a foreign pan top of foreign. And all when him the blood clot want me. Him have to remember the old blood clot bitch. But you chin, not even Ras clot. Mexico! Not even Mexico, you cannot go chin. Mama man, blood clot chin. I wish man sit down and contest woman. One dirty blood clot vagabond woman like me. Wish man sit down and contest a bagger and all skirmish like blood clot. Man, must be a batty blood clot, man. You got my Batman friend there. I don't know I'm not against Batman, but when I'm not straight I know I'm blood clot that. Chin. Wow. A little touch of rank and a little touch of cum. Ooh. Queenie, your pussy turn me on. Move your dirty blood clot. Chin, I regret the day when doing me blood clot. Me say never you meet me, chin. Chin, that woman that make it the right blood clot you have to right now, chin. Move your dirty blood clot and stop texting for me and blood clot do because when you see me I do it over patching sword. Chin, I never do one blood clot. Chin, pick up all of my gay rights them. Chin, you need to join the gay club. You need to go look for blood clot, dagger master with disgrace. My whole blood clot family and cuss my whole family. I hear them go fuck me telling you that already, you know. One of the two man where anchor on my bumper pussy blood clot husband. Do it afraid of man. Do it a blood clot idiot. Sorry for the one blood clot. Do it dark and illiterate and fool in the blood clot. Do it cocky could have never stand up for a blood clot, man. Mark myself blood clot, right? None of blood clot and you can't tell me nothing. Move on a dirty blood clot and I come talk about. All when me support her. She come on, any blood clot when I pass on the place right just now. Me done in a dirty blood clot for man when I want me. And my blood clot, dirty blood clot husband and me I defend him. You hear that? And when him choke me dirty blood clot in here, my husband, chill, go and get a life. Get some challenge with a wife. Then you can talk to me. You hear that? When Jesus say yes, chin, no blood clot body cancer. Chin, you're too corrupted. Chin say a boy with the pan top all long. Thief your mother stuck and send it to Bahamas. Chin, for you with the pan God for a long time. If I have a Bahamas, you should have got me down. Or you come and fucking laugh after girl. Me worldwide. All the same husband there. Do the maths, no, man. Not even me no remember how much time my husband travel. Leave me to do it. Leave your mama to the blood clot man which you have. Leave your big stinking mama to the man where you have. May I take off my husband world. Tell the world on about to no dirty blood. Leave your thinking mama to the man where she have. If you're a man, me leave your dirty, nasty, slime bag, blood clot mama to the man where she have. May I defend my blood clot husband stink. Pull. That a blood clot you want to take and put on 2 slices of bread and near me supper. Any blood clot one I know. What the blood clot feel like. One on a blood clot, dirty bird now ever. Pan top of me a blood clot, but you have to class out to the dirty blood clot and send it on them a fat blood clot pussy. Move on a dirty blood clot. No shame. But bad no mama bomber blood clot. I want to teach you. All the dirty woman would have beat out your blood clot. I want me about blood clot your man the woman. Cause me say me just start thumping at your blood clot neck. And grab a your titty and bite out your blood clot titty nipple. Don't fuck with blood clot me woman. You hear that? None of blood clot on now come and come cold blood clot me down. Start out on a dirty blood clot life on a use cling thing. And stifle up on a dirty blood clot life. And then when I use my one for flight, you can't get no blood clot flight after this. You could have post, you could have horse, and you could have blood clot course. None of you not get no flight after my life. On a life, or not having a cling thing. Or not stifle up in a blood clot cling thing. You think no one can blood clot humiliate me? Why not? Female general, what happened? Why not think me dep on a dirty blood clot? Who this? Hello?
Oh God. Oh God, Queenie, end me. Me not kick you. Me never know you accept me. Be nice. Be
Alright,
nice.
baby, cool. Mess up yourself. How cute. Ah, me say somebody send me one video. I said, Chin. Chin for a little bit and I grow to blood clot. You got Jamaica and got airport and still can't touch one plane. You can't touch to my husband, Chin. I life him over the solid. As much as him now blood clot look for me, a life me make him a live. When one of your bitches them do for you, all the girl will fly down from California, come fuck you, and the girl over Portmore. Move on a dirty blood clot, Chin. Calm down. Teacher don't drop out in a member monetize. Them done a report me already. Bad mind the dirty blood clot shit. Come and get some of my water. First time I meet Chin. In bed do him cologne, my bad do it what's the cologne called? Where gold cologne name, man? Rebecca, where damn cologne name again? You better do him cologne. You beggy, licky, bitey, try, blood clot, mama. Man, mama long tongue Chin. Why you come lap your blood clot tongue around that neck where do a squeeze blood clot when I come wrap your tongue. Make a drop out my pussy juice with some bleeding blood clot period in your dirty blood clot mouth Chin. You like disgrace like your friend. And then I know one cause me about one dirty woman with the internet and me couldn't know blood clot internet. Me. All of the millions, trillion blood clot girl, me still there Jamaica Chin. Me see one heap of girl take plane come over here, come on. Designer body come to them body Chin. Not even follow, you can't follow one girl Chin. You can't laugh after my husband. There's no laugh after. Do we have 7 bomber pussy blood clot here in Canada? Do it alright. My wife make him alright. But proud of my blood clots because he's a great woman. Yeah. I don't want no blood clot help myself. Who can help me? Who? What I gotta do? Let me get psychiatrist. The psychiatrist need blood clot me for rehabilitate them. I don't need no help me, alright. I Chin need help. Chin. Right now, I'm going for a recovery house because this is a recovery apartment. This is designer by the apartment. I'm at the apartment. And if you go to recovery house now, Chin, there is so much girls that buy them tickets and come to Dominican Republic at designer by the, from Jamaica. Yeah, from Jamaica. I'm a proud of the little girl them. So Chin, all of them girls where you have. You can't buy none of them one ticket or them buy one ticket and carry come a dear way. You don't need your visa. You have your Jamaica book, you just buy a plane ticket, Chin. And that's what you do it for. Low blood clot do it, Chin. Because remember, you know, when you sell do the ring, you know. Remember my teeth do the phone, you know. Mr. Wally Pinot, Chin. Mr. All of the message and the gun them where you sent to do it. Chin, remember when you said to do it, say, dog, make sure you don't go back to her, you know. Make sure you don't go back to her, you know, because see me come for you there. Do is a back and blood clot belly rat like him blood clot wife. When do ready, do it just this on a dirty blood clot and turn a blood clot two-sided colors and just come over back to him wife. That's do it. That's how do it. How over here, trouble me? Go take a shower. See you when I fall there. I don't need to go take a shower. I just shit and I just go wash out my body hole. I don't need no blood clot so my body hole clean. Because I can't shit unless I wash my bottom. The all I'm get at the more OCD. Move on a dirty blood clot and a dictate to big woman. You go bed. Right now my arms smell good. My body hole smell good and my pussy smell good. I bed one time from morning and I go shit a while ago. You want me to go help you wash out my body hole for me? Come on, don't fuck with blood clot me. You want to wash out my thinking blood clot cell? Alright, just so I come lady and I turn on me. And take off this man and turn on and wash out my bathroom and this up man. Come and eat when sitting on my bottom. That's why I'm woman chin and the woman I'm mandible to come lick all this shit them out of my look up right there. You just turn on that and carry it up there. This never the carry it, but the whole of my fast food. Move on the blood clot and filter. Move your dirty blood clot. When you can't chat to me, what the man I do now? When I have to clean thing up. You know when you have to clean thing and you rough it, stifle on the blood clot probably, but because I'm a big bad and bold. I'm full of confidence. Me's progressive. Me's a blood clot go-getter. Me just wheel out it blood clot. Me not sit down and make no blood clot man carry me down. Me wheel out it blood clot. You know the someone named Gig? Me not sit down and do no gig again. I saw me spin on a dirty blood clot like Gig. Me, now I sit down and dead in a no blood clot sorrow. Only shall come on my blood clot funeral. When I murder my dirty blood clot. And grind up my nasty blood clot. And eat me like blood clot canned beef. I want to come at the blood clot funeral. On a short talk, this woman confident level is beyond blood clot, beyond. Move on a dirty blood clot. This Friday coming? This Friday, the 2nd of June. Bristol, me there. The 10th of June, DJ Styler. The 16th of June, South London, Fancy Dress. The 17th of June, down in Manchester, UK. You can't talk to blood clot me, Chin. Chin, you can't laugh after me, Chin. Chin, my pitney them, I got foreign at Disney. My grand pitney them, I'm a pitney them. I got this, my son just come from blood clot, Jamaica. I want to Chin, me I live. Chin, you could have get a blood clot, woman. You feel some type of way to do it. Run left blood clot, you know, with all of the snake. Where you have when him go up the ladder. I just, hell, I try to sting him. And him run left. Get nasty blood clot. Leave my husband again, dirty blood clot. The man who want a friend from you. And I don't care if my classy and tomorrow I see him because doing have no shame. But I still a done Chin. Do go back to Chin, man. Do it is a dark team one blood clot vomit. That me not like with my husband. Well, I come poor man. You see the whole of them not meaning a blood clot go but me know why. I gotta tell someone, but you know what, I have no friend. Then you want a friend. Someone don't want a friend from you either. Someone will clown you out because they are my husband. Someone don't want a friend from you. And you can't have no blood clot friendship with someone. A beer mix up, you got blood clot in her. Because someone mix up, someone bagger, someone love blood clot attention. From someone like that, but I tell you, sir, a social service goes Simone. So, where you going to come fight me about? You know what I mean? You're not so a friend, do you? May I ask you again? You're not so any blood clotting, my dear, may your wife will come before everybody else. You don't know a commitment. You don't know where you give away your name to. Better may I come and get forget. Better. Queenie nice. Chin come suck out, move your blood clot. And I'm still good in a blood clot and smell good. Move it to them right patch so Chin of them why come eat out to blood clot. Yeah. It goes so. Some pussy clean, some pussy fat. I have no blood clot behavior because my blood clot husband don't give a fuck. Me Lego like blood clot the yellow bus about Jamaica. Chin, don't make me drop my blood clot draws in your chin and put my pussy tongue in your ass clot ears and just piss it. But I just rest my pussy tongue right in your ears, right in your chin, and just like, watch this. Move your blood clot, Chin. You want a piece of this. Chin! You want some other fat blood clot pussy. Move your dirty blood clot. You want some other pussy to make it carry go foreign. Visa blood clot pussy this. Ask your bumper blood clot for the way you want to kill me after. Visa pussy this, Chin. Ask your friend. I may take out him passport. I may take out him driver license. And I make sure him come a blood clot for him cause him cocky work. Move your dirty blood clot and leave me and my husband alone. As soon as I get up, you come on my blood clot, you come on internet, I come talk about. You lick my mother flat a gun. Still me eat you. Me eat you, you come spread false blood clot news for internet because you look attention. But I tell the people them say, you look at mother and she drop her ground. Chin, you never see nothing like that, darling. And that alone make me that bite out your blood clot, boss. Boy, you come laugh. Pussy, body, ears, hole, nose, blood clot, mouth hole, chin. You know, out of every blood clotting chin, why I'm gonna bite out your cocky balls. Fact say what is joke to you. It's dead to him. Me not really so care about you and doing, you know. But my bumper pussy blood clot husband, so I still a defend him. But you know what I care about? Just say you come on the internet as a bad man. And I got to tell the people that how you lick your mother and drop her flat and gum. Oh fucking dear your chin. Your chin come stifle up in my ass clot as well. You take yourself and push your blood clot self your chin in my ears. Don't leave chin alone. Chin, you come on my yard for your brethren. Because you want to fuck off my blood clot husband because you think that you can't get me out of the blood clot race. I got tired for see my blood clot face, Chin. Chin me 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 you dirty blood clot. If you come to internet, come talk my business the way you want to talk. If you impress blood clot. Why you think my angle is so Chin? Why you think me take my bleeding blood clot for that stuff up in your blood clot mouth, Chin? Me eat your Chin. You see fix things? If I say fix things right now, I give him the $10,000 when to do it well. I don't have not even do my ear fix things or chat me. I don't care because I have to chat blood clot because my body. And I can't control me. I can't beg no fuck off for me. When I can't whisper behind my back and beg me send no 150 blood clot pound. Because me that 30 blood clot woman I'm going to play a game. But it's just fix things. We come on the internet, come talk to do it broke and do it when. I still like fixed things. We not have nothing against fixed things. But you see, your chin, how fucking dare your chin? To think you can try and humiliate me for come impress the world. I come talk about me drop, lick my mother and not drop her a gun flat. Chin, I think me take them things that for joke, Chin. Chin, remember me know your teeth are gunning up. From before I meet you, I said to do, from before I meet you, I said to do it. I wish gunman friend you have him. I mean, I have my gunman friend, I have my gunman friend. I say I have a friend with teeth gun. So now, since I come fuck with me Chin. So Chin, you for back up and all your blood clot kind of car. Bad man like man with teeth blood clot gun Chin. When you dig old brother, dig two. Chin, you come in a Portsmouth, come violate me, you know, Chin. You know, my town, you know. You know, my chicken youth in the enemy. Me never disrespect one of them and one of them. None of blood clot them a Portsmouth. Never pass them place with me. Them accept me for who me is. You understand me? And you come in there because of the case of my husband. And you come back and you come on the internet. You call upon my son named Chin. You say when you see my son, why would you want to do my son something? All I do is tell you, Lord you man, because me if I say a man violate my mother, mother do the same. Wouldn't you do the same for your mom, Chin? You give your mom so much problem, Chin, and your mom still stand by you. But why are you forcing my husband for this, my son? Pantapa, you make him sell the TV, him sell the 4-car tire rim, him sell the ring. And you're still not satisfied. You're still not satisfied. You come back internet. Why would you want to do my son something, Chin? May I talk to you? Why would your influence do it? For do my son don't even do social media. My son from him at 9, I'm in the prison. Him write me. I'm my 3rd child. And him say, Mommy, you need to stop thief. I will take care of you. No. My baby father did it. My mother did it. But 4 pretty them dead. My two grand pretty them dead. My husband dead. Plus other people. Now, when do we give me the 2 coke and I'm a ball out and them run out? I'm going to say, none of blood clot on there. And you come back, Chin. Come with a silver blood clot car, Chin. Come create all of this. You started this. You should have been a man. I said, dog, I'm married one man, married man business, but yeah, I'm a friend. Cool, you come and justify. When remember I said to you, I said, Chin, why you come to my yard? Remember I asked you, remember good not Chin, man. Chin, Miss Chin. Miss Chung Lang, Chung. Chin, I asked you at the same time. I said, Chin, come here, I talk to you. Why you come move on my husband out of my yard? Because you want to mash up the life, Chin. You want to do stay at Jamaica and thief gun like you. Do we grow to that? At 13 years ago, this Chin. Do we afraid of you afraid to tell us I'm afraid of your dirty blood clot because of them come? All you want to do is premeditate people. And do we pass them blood clots to them? Do a premeditate life and gal. Him now want your blood clot insanity. Where you sit down and you set up blood clot people life. Chin, you can't chat to me. Chin, you have no blood clot life. When you're married, you can't laugh. You're not married. You understand me? No blood clot, girl now married. You're hungry and broke, no blood clot. The girl no want no blood clot, man, and they let them have money. That's how Jamaican girl are. And money I love for them. Money turn them blood clot on. No lie, me I tell. And go we girl with that fun, I work hard. I'm too little Jamaica top girl with down there. No business about man and them blood clot money. When your girl them done fuck pan blood clot, you have to your head them a fuck. If burn you, I'm not fuck pan blood clot. We all do a post up Ras blood clot video. That's a reminisce. Ras there Jamaica, me there England. That's enough fuck. Move on a dirty blood clot. I'm still pure. Where? I when me now wear the blood clot ring, the ring I wear because I'm married. The worst blood clot married, but I'm my marriage. I may defend it dirty blood clot because I feel me dirty blood clot disgraceful marriage. Where? Thank God the day the man married to me. That's true. And that's how I see this about everything. I wanted to get married. That's one of my wish. Do give me a wish. You make one of my wish come true. And I'm a true. That's why I'm not give up on it for easy. We still did that try to be, but no. You understand? Chin too enough, man. Him for blood clot. Go boy, I make post and a laugh. Laugh now! All who laugh, best chin. You can't laugh after husband and wife. You either can. Right now, I can't go in a room, go bump it for my blood clot husband cocky. And shame on a dirty blood clot. I'm not prove nothing to him. I'm not prove nothing to him. And my husband dirty blood clot chin. Back up! Back up, chin. Batty man, bad blood clot, man. Move your dirty blood clot. Make up your mind, I wish be. Batty man be. Which one of them you want to be? Bad man be, or you want to be a bad man be? You can't chat to me. You can't laugh after me. At 2 years, I'm married, brother. Some people married 2 years. My last blood clot long. You hear that, Chin? Chin. I never know me I reach a 2 year. Why you think me so relaxed now? May I ask you, Chin? Why you think me so relaxed now and easy? Because I never know. I said the 2 years I do, I give gratitude. Come on from a blood clot name. Apart from a blood clot fender Chin. Leave the man on him Starbucks cup. Bad-minded blood clot Chin. If you not trouble, you can't get a Starbucks cup. No, my love. Why? See, cup here. I saw the people attack and get up the people at throw one powder. See my Starbucks cup here? And do get the iron cup. Every time I put the ice in it, I hear the iron. I go so blum, 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 blum. I say, do it. Give me back my cup. I want a cup there. And me and do most about the cup and him come live and talk about him cup. I used to don't catch feelings. Feelings! When you catch that feelings, cause you want my Dewey, and Dewey don't want me, but you want to kill me. But it's my husband, I'll let me not have a bumper pussy blood clot ring. Move on the blood clot. I cover my husband from the crown of his head to the sole of his feet. I'm a pray God make him see the light. Chin! Chop. I tell that chin now. Yeah. But I have for you know, any blood clot by the crush, I can't crush the blood. Crush it can't, girl. Crush it, crush it, crush it, crush it. Bubble clap is sexy. But I like. I want Queenie that deck, no matter how you suffer. That's the God. That's the God Almighty fucking truth. One Queen in the deck, no matter how you suffer. Chin love my bumper pussy blood clot husband, I make him prosper, Chin. The man I live life. Chin. The man afraid of the gun proposal them where you put to him. I tell him for buy gun, Chin. Chin. Remember you tell do say, take Queenie money, share all the man. Chin, me eat your dirty blood clot, you don't believe me. You talk about you don't like me. Chin. But I'm sorry if you like me, I make mistake. Chin, remember you tell do is say, if you take the all man money, Chin, me say all I message them. You tell do if you take the all man money and buy gun. And do it say my God, me not depend them things there, you know. I say, auntie, you're fool. Use our mix to buy one gun. Chin me for the argument. So don't draw my blood clot on me. Should I screenshot them? Because if I screenshot them out, I do a phone. But I have no blood clot time for no evidence. I have no time for no baggage, you know. And when I remember anything, I just talk it. Chin, calm down. Queenie. Chin, remember you told my husband to take the old man money and buy gun and do the same down. Depend them things there. What the fuck now? You sit down and I'm going to tell my husband to take my money to buy gun, Chin. Then that's why you back me, so Chin. That's why you back me, you know. That's why you can't laugh now, because you never get the gun money. So that's why I defend my bumper pussy blood clot husband, Chin. Remember saying now, when I come to Jamaica, you know, I'm going to come around and pass his foot, Chin. I say, well, is it that me take your number? Or you take your number? I say, tell do it call me. That time do it been avoided, Chin. Way before do it beat me up and call me the night him avoid me, Chin. But you think do it I can bring you 2 blood clot Air Force and one of the red Giuseppe. You could have get 2 Giuseppe and get 1, Chin. Chin, I know I have your feet kerchief, the tied of your teeth. Where you beg do it, where do it? Licky, bitey, charge. Ow! You dirty blood. Ow! Come pop in. Chin, you can't chat to blood clot. I'm a great woman. I'm a top girl. Remember you cuss me, I cuss already and I do it there. And I do it phone and tell do it say, where I do it, Queenie? Queenie has some dirty shoplifting woman. Chin lift up my skirt, you know, and put him head on and eat them. I'm just a fat for him and him just a class. I'm just chin enough something you do, brother. Whole lip all chin. If me see and the way I walk cross clot, I get me run like blood clot. Chin, I'm afraid of your chin. Chin, me 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, your dirty blood clot, Chin. Chin, remember, good no man, all of them have come back to me. Chin, you remember the vice what I send do it? And tell do it, Queenie, I want dirty old man, and oh, me not have no use said, this me up in a Chin. Hey, me really want to do it, because I know, me just remember that, you know. Me just remember. They said the boy gonna need me fit. A good thing we love fat. And same class member just I'll meet Chin DM. I'm going to my DM right now. I look at Chin DM. Chin DM me. Him tell me one will pass something about do it. But guess what? Me never look. Me never know such Chin DM me. To show you he's a mama blood clot man. I try everything to stop it. You try everything for mash up me and do. I know you see what mash up is free, but don't blood clot buy. Don't buy no ticket for me and my husband. Because there is so much waste of blood clot shame and a dirty blood clot. But I'm not depend on proving with it. That's the thing. I hold my sanity. And any boy, any blood clot girl, this my husband. But this sort of no dirty blood clot see me. You hear that? Stop embarrassing my family. You stop embarrassing your family by coming on the dirty woman page. Yeah, your dirty family. Go and back up off a blood clot. It's my family know me a drinker. Move on the dirty blood clot. The whole of my family them know something is what my blood clot is. So take it our blood clot, leave it. You can't choose your family. Fuck you. Move your dirty blood clot and go look for your dirty blood clot Bangaram family. But stop disgrace family. I'm a self-made disgrace. Me and dirty chin again. Chin, I really want a mama man though. Hey, Chin, you know I'm love with myself. I'm never intimidated by you, you know. No, sir. But Chin, when I come check in, I'm tell you. And him there in the place I play the box, you know. That's why when I see my Jamaica. I remember me talking, you know. And Chin in the place I play the something up and the game. Look, now this is Chin I play the game. I'm going to say, Chin, come here. And the man sitting up on the game and I have to touch him again. I'm going to touch him before I come out of the blood clot shop, out of the bar. And God and the people them who didn't have that bar no one lie me I tell you. You know, first and foremost, Mummy. All Mummy have called me. So I know you're the point to that this me. First and foremost, Mummy, I apologize. Apologize before you left right now. And when I go outside, and I start telling me, say, I'm doing used to eat out a cheese pan. And this that turn out, what do I eat out a cheese pan after doing me and my husband? Why would you want to get involved with me and my husband? And the way my own there talking about the dirty blood clot, the woman when they live next to her, chaka. Talk me man, talk blood clot, so tell them and strip my blood clot close to your chin. Chin! Me ready for anybody dirty blood clot. Remember me not have no money now. So I'm half full and turbo more than how much is. Chin talk to me now. And the lady will live next door like when I say Shabo and police. Like I don't remember like when I said the woman's son of police. And she not like excitement. I'm a walk from the woman yard because I have blood clot principle shit. But look with it. Now Queenie at designer body, girl when I come designer nobody a designer body. So the pussy clean up and come designer the night. Whoa. Ah, yes. But just I smell my arm now. Come here, sweating. Yeah. That shaky blood clot like I was carrying to snap up chin. Yeah. And when I done, when I done now, and them say, like them I said, come here, don't chin, you know. Chin talking to them, man. Remember me a girl and me a pussy, you know. So when you do man can't do. And when them say, like them I say, Miss Ina is over there so and her son a police and too much neither. I walk from the woman gate because I have principle. I walk from the lady gate because the lady, I don't know the lady and I have to respect her gate and I moved and I went up the stairs. And we have a civilized conversation. Me, you, and Dewey. Remember, me not come bad you, but I come drop my piece. So I think I go lick me in my blood clot face or gun butt me chin. So when you come point it I bad up your mouth and I send threat. You think it's nice to send blood clot threat to people? I will pass the era, right? Same place to pass the back chin. I was over the side where you there and do your job. I said, do it, make sure you don't stop it up. You don't prove nothing to your chin. They don't tell you no, me I come at Jamaica. Me not have no blood clot fear. Me not fear no man, I God alone me fear. And that's the God Almighty truth. I never one day fear you. You understand me? I haven't done anything. You just grudge me because I'm take your husband. I really your blood clot husband. I your husband in your gun blood clot husband. So me take my husband and put him on pedestal. That's all the grudge is about. You never know so an old man could have great stuff. You never know so this rascal species was exist. That you could have taken my Givenchy scarf. You ever wear one Givenchy shirt yet? I get one Givenchy perfume. I take my blood clot stuff, my scarf, beg, all my scarf, I go bite out your blood clot cocky jaw. My father show me for old boy cocky, I make it flap in them blood clot. Come run up in this chin. Come run up in a blood clot. This man make your balls run up in your blood clot head. By the time I see with the gun, I just chuck down by your blood clot balls. You know how much time I tell you that? Just to come for internet, come discriminate me and call my mother name, but me lick my mother down and gun checking. But up your dirty blood clot. I mean, I want nobody deal with you. Why you kick me like one blood clot ball if me drop a gun chin? Me just why you ice up my dirty blood clot. I just keep me safe and keep me just because and bite your blood clot, cocky cam. Me not let go that blood clot. Remember me tell you that. You hear that chin? The race is not for the blood clot slip. You see how I make a much in threat and send a much in blood clot message? Well, my message to you, chin. You come. Round my yard, come get involved in my family business. Not even my husband where your friend so much. How fucking dare for you come on internet, come call up my son business. I'm a mother. You're rude, chin. You're out of order. You pass your place. You need blood clot punishment. And you still get up a laugh today. Well, this is the punishment where you get. Class your dirty blood clot. But can't catch you. But class your nasty blood clot. Cause chin used to me, you know. I mean, I live at Jamaica in a chin. Why you not telling people them say you see where? Why you never run out and go, pie? Because the way you talk, big up. We say the Jamaica police them would do where them for do their dirt. Everybody there at Jamaica said chin I eat that. Chin me can bet you I get chin. Ask them. Maybe them not going to talk and tell you because I know everybody can confront people, but chin. Nobody narrate what you do. As a bad man, as a mama man, as a sissy man, as a Miss Jane man, as a Miss Liza, mama land blood clot tongue, china, 2 tongue me have, 1 pussy blood clot tongue. Yeah, underneath me look good no blood clot. See that? Under me that's when I tie up with blood clot stacking. Coming on the vein and the pussy tongue drop out. Move on the dirty blood clot. And this you want to slide of blood clot. You see all I black that them on the other side, I thought. Come use your teaching and grind them like scour. You know the steel of the Jamaica come clean between my blood clot like you can't enter here. But we give like a chance on the side blood clot burn. Fly! Blood clot fly me out and pitch my blood clot dear chin. I mean my husband the righteous so drunk. Dog shit pit. Shit blood clot spoon, shit knife and shit fork. Move your dirty blood clot, all on a dirty bad blood clot wish. On a go, come and design a body at the same bomber clot time. Come design your teeth. Come design your feet. Your friend foot ugly in a blood clot. You never say do if you tell them same foot them ugly. I anima come and do it there. Move your blood clot chin. You need a surgery. Skin out. You know, so when I have the man, maybe a blood clot. But this one video when I did that, maybe when he left me in January, remember I want 2 pieces. For sexy for. That man there hold on about my sexiness. Because to me have husband, but you know, some of the skin out to blood clot now. No, I feel go on and eat, no, I can't say I need me. So I show on a screenshot it and tell it to one want to know. Because I now get back that blood clot chance. By the next time I'm stuck in and I see up in that blood clot. Cutie go in the Cutie go Cutie go in the man. Go in the man. I don't want to come tell me, but Jay, stop it now. Jay, stop it. Cutie, you know what? Put fun and joke aside. I not like. I go to my love laugh to bumbo pussy blood clot. Hi Queenie, everyone on here. Everyone in the year gonna come. Ooh. Oh, she don't wanna lick me. Oh, she where you wanna lick me from? With your tongue. Where you wanna lick me from? Chin. Oh, you can't have it, baby. Maybe you just need to use your teeth and scour between your chin. Underneath me look good, no blood clot. Chin as old as my blood clot is chin. Me keep up my body. Chin, talk to me now. Talk to me now, chin. As old as me is chin. As shaky, me keep up my body. Where you are? Where you are? Where you are? Chin, I wouldn't mind for liquor time. I need blood clot. Me, I'm buy all one ticket. Come over here. Where? Grudge blood clots, man. Where? The woman now. Let's all start by the man over. I'm not going to fear though. I'm glad my brother told me say something. I'm mad, my dirty blood clot. But ladies, design a body. Come design up the body. If you're not pussy too fat, come and suck out some of it and let it get mager. If the pussy too mager, put a little fat in it. You can do many. You can do nose. You can do lip. You can do breast. You can do bum. You can do body extension as well. If you're chin, come extend your cocky. Oh God, chin. Chin, let me tell you something. I got your work off. Good show. Grudge blood clot. I remember say you did the on top of your game and do a little bit, you know. It's at 13 years ago. Do we have 33? When do we have 20 not change? You understand me? And do we never have certain experience to life? So them tell me, yeah, me call her the money, yeah, thief your mother's stock. Should me get your ass clot file, chin. I treat me now I can store people going for my head, can remember everything or something. You understand me? You have to understand yourself, chin. You are a man, chin. It's too enough and too public for you to join me and do a disgrace. You the one side that talk about everything me run for internet and you know make it a better, madam. Make a perfect example out of me and do it by holding your composure. Because I go shit in your mouth, chin. Enough something I go do upon the internet. And when you see me in a real life now, you come with your gun like the police them and the soldier them know for doing their nasty, dirty blood clot. Because anywhere I'm going now, anywhere at Jamaica, I'm going to cover it by the blood of Jesus. But you see, you know where so long I plan me. See, you were so long I plan me. I left you to the higher heads, the Jamaica Defense Force, and the police them. Were in them become master. All our police them at Jamaica love me. 2% out of the 100%. Because the Jamaica can't tell a Beverly. Can't tell a little bit. What do I got? Caan. Oh. True me, because I can't pronounce it. But big up the constabulary force, whatever it is. Bombo clad, Canada, you do it. Canada, you queen. Canada, move your blood clot and visa body this. Progressive body. Elevation body. Me, my husband tell you, anything my wife touches good. I owe you chin. Go do some music, man. Your grudge do it hard to do it gonna fix things. Fix things. You know, I'm not against fix things. Fix things are a friend. But all business fix things and do it. Even though I'm here fixing and chatting, I only could eat that chatting. But what fix things do wrong? When me here fix things and chat, remember I teeth do it pin, you know. I really that, you know. Me have do phone I would go in 1 week. I'm going to Jamaica now. I sit down for the 3 hour down a bush and mark now and wake up and see me. That time I done both everything in the phone already. So I stuck on me to fix things. Vice note when sent to do it. I remember when chat me in the vice note and said, I don't remember because I don't want to tell no lie. But basically, you know, the whole of them, they want to do for the idleness to them. I'm a sturdy blood clot woman. I mean, I have no idleness because I want my husband to improve in her life. I want my husband to buy me a Jeep and give me back some of my blood clot money, some of the pan of idleness. So this is me to fix things. Mr. Fix things. What a way you chat me. So Trim says I'm catching my chat. In just turn it on back and do it now. Remember say I do it for. That's all life is. So I'm answer back the question. Answer me back like him. I say, no, mama. I the boy I do it. When I see the boy I do it, I keep up something, but I not the boy I do it. I shock him, so I catch him. So they catch him, I catch him. Him throw do it and I need the blood clot, boss. I want him throw do it and the boss. Now remember I do it for me. So the message there. So do it here with fix things, sir. Do it just a bad man. I me first no want a friend from me. You know, so from me left your studio, me not come back. Blood clot from do it tell fix things that. Me say bear people on this live depend. Tell do it for pay the studio man money. But me never know so I fix things. Cause remember my husband lying on him, I can't trust him enough. But when him send out him a quiz him. Someone said, do you wish man you owe? I don't mind a Spanish show when you got this to the car. When they're doing a green, do it like a rolling stone, get a no matter. Well, I'm not going to do it, tell do about do music. None of blood clot can make do it, make no life. Because I me inspire do it. And me motivate do it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. And so you're doing no, that time I have a clue, so I fix things. You know, crazy is not no Spanish town man, I fix things. So I say, oh, you know, so I fix things himself. Because fixing the door at the studio, you ever do fix things go wrong now? Fixing the one girl named Queenie. I come back that in on the Monday morning. I'm fixing tell me for the girl why I'm a pastor at a party. I'm going to tell her, say, me take 10 grand. This had long 2 years ago, you know. Now when I take the 10 grand from the girl, me never know somebody who fix things 10% out of my money, 20 or 50. I don't know. Chump chain, the woman give me 5,000 for Jamaican dollar. I don't even remember who me give the money. Because I never see about fixing. Because I see fixing, but I get fixing on 5 bills or 2 grand. Whatever I would get, I don't know. Because I am not a mean person. But I'll share with myself. So what fixings do now? Him want like a grudge against me, saying get bookings to me. And whatever I'm saying, I never give them that money. But fix things never make them deal there with me. So because but here why me love fix things now. I'm gonna fix things in the studio, see man. I was sitting down, I was vibe thought mama bomber blood clot, we smoke weed, we drink liquor, we all have vibes. But when fix things do that now, fix things chat me 1 and 2 times because he never get none of the money. Alright, so when do it say now, no crazy I fix things. Because fix things always attack against you. So no, I'm saying fix things always attack against you. So when him say fix things send the vice note. And him fix things one done. And me fix things one done. But him turn it one for him. Mr. Blood Clan. Mix up Caan done. Go to my body and turn. I'll take care of yourself. When I come trouble my dirty blood clot again. Come over here boring, you know. Come trouble me make a class out to the nasty blood clot and send it up. One enough to go. So let me see not there when I come back. First it was, you know, me don't want nobody say. Because guess what I'm in a browse. I don't know me different though. It's all though me in here I'm boring. I'm my own self watching now. My own a video them I'm post the same thing. Sometimes I have to Queenie, but I just be that. Nobody not send me nothing. Because someone not send me something. May I come back live come cost. And somebody just send me chin. I put chin from my page to affirm me the posting. Let me look. I don't even remember. Jamie, why you call out my name for little nephew? Allow me, Jamie. Let's say me a cuss. Hey, me never cuss them kill me a long time, you know. But I dead in a stress and depression. I'm glad me rude your fuck. I want them email me and say to me. Yankee, me